So, welcome to this next course part about the basic shortcuts or shortcuts 101. So, Excel has a lot of shortcuts. We will go over it in the next in the advanced course. But for the basic course, you will only need to know how to copy with Control C, how to cut. So you want to copy, but don't want to have it in the starting cell anymore with Control X, how to paste with Control V. And as I've told you, if you want to paste only text or values, you can do this also with a shortcut. So if you have a formula in a cell and you want to only paste the values of those formulas and not those formulas, you can do this with Control Shift V. Also, you can undo your proceedings in Excel with Control Z and restore restore undo with Control Y. You can insert the dollar signs in the input line with function F4. And as I've told you, with multiple presses, you can do this for the row and column, only for the row or only for the column. So these are the most important shortcuts. I think you know most of them from the Office suite when you used the Office suite before, but it is important to know them. Especially Control Shift V to paste only values will be handy sometime. So thank you for your attention. This was a short part, but I hope to see you in the next part.